Hannah divided her cake into 4 equal pieces. She gave 1 piece to her friend as shown below. What fractional amount of cake does Hannah have left? So here's Hannah's cake, okay? She divided it into 4 equal pieces. She gave 1 piece to her friend. I want to know the fractional amount of cake that Hannah has left, okay? So let's look at this. She gave 1 piece to her friend. Do you think that the white piece or the shaded pieces represents the piece that she gave to her friend? The white piece is the 1 piece that went away, so this is gone. This piece is the piece that she gave to her friend. This is 1/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is one of them, okay? I want to know the fractional amount of cake that Hannah has left. Well, I know that this is 1/4. That's hard for you to see. 1/4. This is 1/4. And this is 1/4. So Hannah has 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, which equals 1, 2, 3. 3/4. Hannah has 3/4 of her cake left over. You guys need to remember to turn this assignment in. Every single question needs to be answered. And I want to see work for this assignment that you guys did. And I hope that you watched all of these videos and did not only turn this in. In fact, if you're watching this video, send me the keyword of monkey and I will give you 5 extra points on your test tomorrow. The keyword is monkey.